My God, I'm so happy, guys. Like, super happy.
This is the inside. This is what it looks. This is the very cute. It's white material, and this is the inside.
Oh, what's the color?
It's colored brown,
Yes.
a blackish brown, and here's some numbers that you can't see. Second.
So that's the date card. That's a serial number, and
And here's the zipper. Very nice.
what number is it?
37.
That's right.
And this is the zip. Very nice.
Hello.
And this is the zip. Very nice. Very nice.
Mama will open it.
That's how I usually do it.
Yes. Good morning, kiddos. Hey, don't close. Someone's coming in. Oh, there you go. You can close now. Tira nyo. May corona si ate kasi birth month daw niya, guys. Well done, sweetheart. It is the 1st of August and it's Celine's birth month. Kaya meron na siyang pa-corona kay siya yung bida ngayon. Give Ate Paris a cuddle and kiss, ate. Nakahanap ng laruan, guys. Come na. Hala, ito ang princess na naglalaro ng truck. Careful, please. Look where you're going. Eh? Ala, la, la, la. Uy, not your bum. You don't drag like that because your bum is gonna gisi-gisi. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Ganda naman ang corona mo, eh. Nak, do you wanna check your height? Honey, do you wanna check your height, te? Te. Check your height, te. We'll see how tall you are. This one here. Remember this one? We'll check your height.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Go against the wall. Yeah. Go against the wall here.
Hi.
Yeah, we'll see how tall you are. Eh? Wow! You are now...
Hi.
Oh, you're more than 80 now, Nak. Wow! You're getting taller.
I do.
Yeah, I know. You're getting taller.
I do.
Yeah. Ati is up to here.
Huh.
Yeah, but Lini is 80 something. Whoa. What happened? Unto daw? Drama lagi ka na. Drama ka na? Come here na. Let's go.
Hi.
Hold Mama's hand. Look, this way. Oh, there's monster on that side. This way.
No.
Well, we gotta go to the library, remember? Come on.
No.
Morning, guys. It's Tuesday. Kakadap lang natin kay Ate Paris. Actually, nandito pa kami sa harapan ng school. Tsaka, muna ako mag-drive, ha. Maglagay muna ako ng sunscreen. Kakalimutan ko na naman, guys. So, lucky nandito ang ating saver, sunscreen sa sasakyan. Nagmamadali ako. Para hindi ma-late. Lalo! So, as always, guys, Tuesday morning, we are going to Celine's run time. Yellow! Yellow too. Say morning lang. Say morning. Morning.
No!
Celine! What was that for? That's not very nice. Sus! Gangisihan na balayin ko ni mo, Nak. You think it's funny? It's not, sweetheart. Bantay ka na ako, ah. So, yeah, rhyme time at 9:30. And it's just 9 o'clock now.
Nini.
Napaaga kami. Sarado pa ang door. Hmm?
Ay!
What happened?
Ay!
Yan. Nanonood mo na siya, oh. Kasi umiiyak siya. Gusto rin niyang pumasok. You have to wait. Nagre-ready na pala, oh. Wait, 15 minutes early, anak. It's 10 o'clock, guys. Kakatapos lang namin sa rhyme time ni Baby Celine. And, alam niyo ba na stress ako ng lunch doon kay Baby Celine. She is an angry baby this morning. Nakita niyo naman kanina, di ba? And, siguro kasi hindi siya nakapagkape. Nung nandun na kami, maaga kami, di ba? And guess what? So, nung pumasok na kami, gusto niya mag-dede. So, pinag-dede ko muna siya kasi wala pa namang tao doon sa loob. And then, nung nag-start na, guys, she wanted to sit yung chair nila malapit sa teacher kung saan yung teacher ano ng kanyang computer, no? And yung teacher kasi, guys, ayaw niya na umupo doon. Ads, you skip that! Kasi, gagayahin siya ng ibang mga babies. I totally understand naman na, you know, kasi alam niyo ba, si baby sa lahat ng mga kids doon, si baby sila lang talagang tumatayo, very active ba? Itong batang ito, my goodness. So, pinuntahan ko siya, I picked her up, sabi ko, we'll go sit sa sa gilid. Oh my God, and she was throwing tantrums, guys. Na-stress akong bigla doon, guys, oy. Kasi may mga may mga ibang moms, tapos they started like singing now, and then si Celine naman ay, no! Parang pagano'n siya ba, kasi gusto niya talagang umupo doon. And normally kasi pag ibang teacher nandoon, hinahayaan siya, but this one, parang nasanay siya ba, kaya ayun yung nangyari. My God, hindi ka na talaga ako umalis, guys. Bibit-bitin ko sana siya, pero tinapos na lang namin. Tayo, guys. It is 2:20 and we're going to pick up Ate Paris soon. Binibihisan ko lang ang ating baby Celine so we can go. So she had a nap when we got home and nakakain na rin siya ng kanyang lunch. And you're having wafer now. Yes? Dessert? Yummy, yummy in the tummy, mommy. Yummy, yummy. Ito mo siya. Very cute man ang baby. Oy. Say hi, guys.
Guys.
Welcome back
Okay.
to
Two.
our
Other.
channel.
Channel.
Yay! Such a smart girl. Oh. Yay! So she's ready now. Nakabihis na rin si mami niyo, guys. Ayan. Nagsuklay ako ng buhok. Kasi we are going somewhere after picking up Ate Paris. So, matatapos Ate Paris ng 3 o'clock. We're going to, my God, I'm so happy, guys. Like, super, super happy. So, last Thursday, pumunta kami ni Baby Celine sa playgroup. First time namin pumunta sa playgroup na yun. Just close to that Balimba library na pinupuntahan namin every Tuesday. Pinuntahan namin kanina. So, may nakilala kaming Pinay. Alam niyo naman, guys, ang puso ko kapag may nakilala akong Pinay. Sumasaya ako, guys. Alam niyo yun? Kasi it feels like I'm having another friend. Another Filipina friend. Iba talaga yun, di ba? Kapag, parang kadugo natin. Like, the same Filipino. So, ngayon, I met Rose. Daughter niya doon. Pangalan niya Chloe. So, I think she is now 5. Very happy that I found that place. And you know, we made friends, nag-exchange number kami, and then in-invite niya kami sa bahay nila today, this afternoon, after ng school. So, may mga anak din siya, guys, na nasa primary school. So, sabi niya, after 3, magiging available na sila. So, pupunta kami sa kanila. Oh my God, I'm super excited. Si Paris, hindi pa niya na-meet si Chloe. I'm super excited for Paris, and Paris is super excited as well. Alam niyo naman ang ating ate Paris. She's very friendly, and I told her about Chloe, and we're going this afternoon, and mamimit niya si Chloe, tapos yung mga kapatid niya pa. Magdadala ako ng damit ni Ate Paris, guys. Kasi instead of like coming home, dadalhan ko na lang siya ng damit niya. Tsaka si chinelas niya. Saan yung chinelas niya? Ayan. Para from school, I'll just get her change in the car. And then we will go straight there. Sobrang saya ko, guys. Kasi makakapaglaro na naman yung mga kids. And nung in-invite niya kami, she's super nice. Like, you know, for her to invite us to her place para makapag-playdate yung mga kids. That's very kind of her. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, I wish I could say the same. But, yeah, unfortunately, you know, maliit yung space namin dito sa bahay and we don't have backyard. May balcony, sobrang liit. Wala nang mapag-anuhan ngayon, daming bagay-bagay doon. So, sabi niya, meron daw silang trampoline sa likuran. May ano sila ba? May backyard sila ba? So, it's best for the kids. Kesa dito sa bahay, wala silang magagawa, really. Tingin ko, ate?
Okay!
Go!
Okay!
Tingnan niyo ang kanyang ate ay...
Mommy, come.
Is Paris there, Dylan?
Yeah. She's measuring herself.
Oh, crazy. Awa! Awa! Nak, did you hear Celine calling you?
Yeah?
Why didn't you answer?
What?
Why say yes, Celine? I'm here.
A few moments later.
Help, Celine. We're here na, guys. Nakapark na kami sa labas ng bahay nila. Are you excited, Paris?
Yes.
Yeah. So, I'm not sure hindi tayo makakapag-vlog doon, guys, ha? Kasi mahihiya man tayo, guys. Baka ano isipin niya ba? Private yun. So, Ling Ling! Pick up the phone. Yeah, I'll just, kung magkaka-chance, vlog ko si Celine tsaka si Ate Paris, but, yeah, not them. Alright, guys. Lini! Lini! Ready, steady? Go! Tingnan niyo, guys. She's enjoying it. The girls, they're playing in the trampoline now. Lini! Oh, do you want to go to trampoline now?
0505.
Is that?
06.
Dito sila sa, guys, sa Cubby House nila. What's the password, madam?
0505. It's on here.
Oh, wow. Tingnan niyo ang abog-abog, guys. Oh, tingnan niyo ang kamay. Yan, yan lang.
05.
We're home na, guys. Sus, Celine, mura magwa nakita yung papa sa isa ka tuig. Dali ngayon lang din naka-uwi from work. The same time. Timing na timing eh. Tae sa memeng. Careful with the door, ha? Paris.
Wait, how are we gonna get it now?
Where is it?
Then there's a car.
Oh, no.
I'll grab it. It's just...
Okay, that's not bad. Okay, come on. Yay! Magluluto na tayo ng dinner, guys. Buti na lang kahapon nakabili ako ng stir fry na beef ba?
Right. No.
Ating Daddy Mike ay all day nasa telepono man. Uy, that's not yours, ha? Where's your slipper?
In the car. The keys.
Nah, did you enjoy that?
My opinion doesn't matter.
Did you have fun with, do you remember their names? Chloe and?
Baby.
When I say
Alicia.
Ate Brianna.
Brianna.
Ate, Baby girl, that's not ours lang. That's not ours.
My part of the world.
May mga mermaid na guys. Oh, kakarating lang ng bahay. Mermaid agad ah.
Ati.
I can't wait na makarating yung mga mermaid tales nila. They will love it.
Titi.
Ate, she's calling you.
Yeah. Titi, see me there.
Is Lini mermaid too?
Yeah. Ati, with mommy.
Ate is mermaid too?
Ati. Ati.
Uy! Ay, shush! See? Have a look at her tails. Have a look at Lini's tails. Wow! See, sing te. Celine will follow.
I wanna be. I mean, up when I walk. Up when I stay. Living.
Look. Oh!
Mommy, when I remember.
What is it you want? Tingnan niyo, oh.
Quiet for jumping dancing.
Dede, do you want the sticker? Okay. What do you say to Mama? What do you say to Mama?
Mama,
What do you say to Mama?
that's Mama.
You're welcome,
That's
sweetheart.
Mama.
You're welcome, sweetheart. Tingnan niyo. Yan lang, oh, ang kanyang kalipay. Kaya mubo ng kalipay mo, Inday, oy. It's cooking time! Cooking time, everyone. Hala! The question is, do we have
Happy.
the sauce that I need? Oh no! I don't have oyster sauce. We might have to cook something else then. Kiddos? Naubusan na pala kami ng oyster sauce, guys. Hindi ako nakabili ng bago, babe. Double check, triple check. Wala talaga siya, guys. Okay. So, change plan tayo. Magluluto sana ako ng beef stir fry. Ito na lang yung gagawin ko. Meatloaf. Lagyan ko ng eggs. I got a helper. Thank you for mixing it, Ling Ling.
I think someone like Lini, the best thing to do is you just gotta burn her out, but like every day you gotta like let her unleash. Take her downstairs. You know, take her downstairs
Don't
into
put the dog in there.
take her downstairs into the courtyard for a bolt or whatever. Let her just run until she gets tired.
I'm just telling Daddy guys the story about this morning about Leni at the library. And she was taking a piece. Hang on, give it to Mama. Oh, my little naughty girl. Hmm? Naughty girl. She's my naughty girl. Ayan na guys. Whoa! What's that?
Me.
Tulong ko sa mga bata. What's wrong? Daddy? What did Daddy do? Can you pick her up, Daddy, babe, please, Bob? Because I'm gonna make this one.
Who's been eating my chocolate?
Lainey. Wala, ang isa. Meanwhile, Ate Paris natin ay mermaid. Not a big one, Daddy. Baby, tingnan.
That is naughty girl.
She's extremely naughty. Magsama kayong dalawa, kayong kamukha kayo.
What's Ate doing? Yeah. Babati.
Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. We have some unboxing to do. Look. Say we have some unboxing to do.
Hi guys.
Oh, okay. Open. So while we were out before, guys, dumating tong isang parcel from Japan. Careful, honey. And here's the box. Ayan. So, nag-shopping si Mami New, guys, sa Japan. Can you say Ohayo gozaimasu? Can you say Ohayo lang? Can you say Ohayo? Ohio.
Oh, wow.
Wow! We haven't even opened it yet. Lang you say wow already. Plastic mo ka na. Ay! Iba plastic diya. Anak. Wow! Wow! What's in here? Tatlong items lang ata yung nandito. Ooh! Selena's got a freebies! I got some real. Oh no! Can you give it to me lang? Please? Then you have to put your clothes on if you want to help. It's alright, Nak. There's only 3 Nak. Open?
I remember I had those.
Okay, you share with Ate.
But I remember I had those.
I know. Unahin natin yung maliit. Ang ganda ng kanilang sisilulan.
Can you take it out? Hello, everybody.
Wait, put your clothes on back.
Mommy,
Open, that's already open.
don't close them. I don't open them all.
This one?
No, don't open.
Oh, you wanna do this too with Mama?
Mommy.
Well, you better go change your clothes. What's this? Yellow. Good girl.
No.
Ayan, gusto si Mama natin para sa ating unboxing. Hang on, sit there, okay? So, this is the first item. Show na ko. Gusto ni Ate Paris mag, ano eh. Kaya natin siya. Okay, explain.
It
Open,
has
Nini?
bugs.
It has bugs, okay?
And it's also blue. It's also colorful.
Colorful. Okay, what else?
And they're all traced.
They're all what?
Finish.
Traced. Like you trace something.
Oh, trace, okay. How do you read this?
Kaki. Kaki.
Cookie!
Kaki.
It's Gucci.
Gucci.
That's right.
Gucci.
It's a silk scarf.
I forgot to see.
Pass.
Look, may big.
Pass. Pass.
Ah, ganyan pala siya kalaki. I think it's 90
Gucci.
centimeters. I could have my Gucci on.
What?
Te! I could have my Gucci on. I could have my Louis Vuitton.
Oh, the lights. I forgot.
Let me push.
Push! Ayan siya, guys. Very nice. It's floral. Meron pa siyang mga tags niya. 100% silk made in Italy. And the second one is here in this bag that says merci.
Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Mauritius.
Okay. Show Paris. I'm super excited for this one.
Yeah. Shoes.
Shoes! Ano ko? What is it? Wow!
Now I try it on.
Too small. It's wedges from
Japan.
this one.
Levon.
Louis Vuitton. Okay lang. This is literal na. Lang. I could have my Gucci on. I could have my Louis Vuitton. Mimi. Uy.
So this is what it looks like on my and it's actually mine. It's actually mine. Have a look at the
You know what, guys? It's actually size 35.
Five.
How did you know?
Paris, did you eat your dinner? No.
It is size 35. But binili ko siya hoping na magkasya sa
I
akin.
just thought it was 5. Nini.
Lini!
Lene. Labit.
So look at the back. The back. Very nice.
Ah, yeah, it fits me just.
There's this black thing,
Tiya, sa ti.
and it fits me. So
There.
I'm going to show you the back. I mean the front. My nanny.
Lini's turn.
Sorry, everyone.
So that's what it looks like, guys. Meron siyang gold sa heel.
Mama, jump! And there's a here. Mama,
Ah, Pim! Okay, well, she wants to try it on as
Is that Lini's turn?
ang aking mga anak, guys.
Lini, whose turn?
Whose turn is it?
Nini.
Nini.
It looks like
Lini's
this.
turn?
Here's the back.
Wow! That's so
Wow.
beautiful, Lini!
Paris.
This is fine.
Celine.
Have a look at
Lini's
Lini.
turn. Paris.
Relax.
Are you describing it, Paris?
Describe it to Tita. And Tito.
Mom, what is it?
You tell him what's all about.
It's actually goes at the back. You just can't see that. It's right
Okay.
here. There it is. So
Lini's
this is
turn.
my little dog, and this is the
Isang
outside.
dust bag lang.
Okay. So we're going to do another one. And
Wait, that's the dust bag of the shoes. Okay, last one. Bunot. Ang huling bunot.
So this is the gray package, and this is the back. It says, "Oh, I've been around.
Pinawa.
The slide,
No, it's cloudy.
cloudy."
That's right. Open it.
So this is what the other side looks like. It's very fluffy and famous. And we're going to open it up. I'm excited.
Carefully, Nigel. Put the box away. Show Tita, Tita
Can
lang.
I have the box? Actually, I think it's a shoe. Actually, I think it's a shoe.
Okay.
Yeah, they're correct. It's a big,
Lini's turn.
big
Boots.
me.
Me.
So
Wow.
this is the very fluffy, and this is the back. Oh, so dirty. and
This is from? What's that brand?
Celine,
No.
Korea,
No, it's Gigi. What's Gigi?
Jimia.
It's Gucci.
So this is something gold that you can see is gold. There it is.
Gucci.
This is the inside. This is what it looks. This is the very cute.
It's suede. It's
Fluffy.
suede material. Saylan.
It's suede material, and this is the inside.
Oh, what's the color?
It's colored brown,
Yes.
a blackish brown, and here's some numbers that you can't see. Second.
So that's the date card. That's a serial number and
And here's the zipper. Very nice.
what number is it lang?
37.
That's right. So it's size 37.
And I'm gonna try it. And this is the zip. Very nice.
Hello.
And this is the zip. Very nice. Very nice. I'll just.
No. Look at Lini lang.
And I'm gonna try it on and show you.
I could have a Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton. It's that. I think this is for this one lang. For this foot.
So this. So this is what it looks like on me.
That looks nice actually.
And so this is what it looks like there under the back. And Mama, let's
Mama, push.
zipping. Very
Nice,
cute,
yeah.
but I won't do that.
Sila ba see if it fits me lang?
A little.
Alalo! Oh, hang on, let me just try it on first. See if it fits me. Kasi yung 37 euro size is 6. Oh yeah, fits me.
My,
Oh wow!
it was very fun.
may pag-Gucci. Look. Kita ba, guys? Lede. Wow. It's nice.
Mama!
I don't think I'm ever gonna wear it. Pambenta to ni Mami, guys, ang boots. Lainey,
I'm in here.
who said you can open the freezer?
Me.
Tingnan niyo, oh, susong.
Me.
What is that?
There.
Do you want ice?
Ice.
Oh, there's only one left. See? Especially for you. You go close it now.
There's still more.
Alright, so you can have the macaroon Paris. So it's treat time for them, guys. Kasi kumain sila ng dinner. You can have the macaroon. What do you say?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. And then you'll get ready, okay? For bed.
What's the wings?
So I cleaned the bed already, huh?
What's the wings?
Ice.
Treat.
Having the ice. Alam niyo ba, ang ating Daddy Mike ay tulog na, guys. Kawawa naman. Tingnan niyo yung mga best na. Kawawa naman, eh. Halatang halata talaga na very tired siya, guys, sa trabaho. Kaya kanina tinanong ko siya, sabi ko, di ba, massage? Sabi sa kanya. Sabi niya, yes. Kasi alam niya, hindi ako all the time nag-over. Massage. Ngayon, sabi ko, lilinisin ko lang yung bedroom para makatulog na yung Maki. I will get the kids ready first, of course. And nalinis ko na yung room. Bibisan ko na lang tong dalawang ito para makatulog na.
Hey, push us.
Push us. Come on na. Eat that one so we can get you ready for bed. Yan yung dalawa. We're gonna sleep soon. Okay?
My look. I have sleep out.
Oh my god. Ito daw?
I'm sleep out.
I will end the vlog here now, guys, kasi papatulog ko na tong dalawa.
My, I want milk.
Oh yeah, I'll give you. We'll get the milk, huh? It's in the fridge. So I'm just going to do a quick shout out before we end the vlog for today. Shout out to Maria Fe Caneda, Jill. It's very annoying, guys, kasi yung pangalan ba naiiba kapag chinek ko na siya sa comments, guys. May mga number na. So, yeah. Basta it's G-H-I-E-L. Ayan. Morena Dusil, Maria Saraha Bolencia, Elsa Serrano, Geraldine Malio, Mercy Narito, Rory sa Campusano, Maria Sare, ito user yung nakalagay dito, but I think the last time I checked, Esther Timwat, I think that's the name, kasi hindi ko, naiba kasi, guys, shout out to Rochelle Pacana, Rian Capa, Lenny Langit, Mary Ann Zamora, Juicy Yoro, Loleta Lacuesta, Maricar Castañeda, Angelina Ledisma, yung mga pangalan, no, very, kapag nababasa ko na siya ng mabilis, guys, it means nababasa ko siya palagi. So, thank you, guys, for the comments. Carmen Lu, The Lady Prince, Arlene Hoover, yes, my love. Ridaliza Aporillo, Lisan Bansil, Feli Ilamparo, Jancy Pinay Australia, Jean Bagsik, of course, Elma Parcon, Sweet Shy Kulit, Osi Me, Emily, of course, hello, Imelda Dastas, and Chic Life. So that's about it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up lang. Lily, thumbs up. Here, Lily too. Here, thumbs up. Here, in the camera. Thumbs up if you like it. And make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Be careful.
bye, guys. Mwah.